So I've gone to the store and I've gotten a pack of Jolly Ranchers, and what I'm doing is I'm taking them out and I'm unwrapping them, and I'm starting with my red color first, and I'm putting it in the microwave for 10 seconds at a time until it's nice and gooey and pliable, and then I'm molding it around my lollipop stick. I'm cutting down to the center of the Jolly Rancher and making it so it's open and that I can wrap it around the stick. I'm making this curly design and making it so it just looks crinkled up like a flower, like so. And then I'm putting it in the fridge to cool down so that I could do more layers. Okay, so I did the exact same thing. The only difference I did was I curled them out instead of inwards now. And now I'm gonna do that exact same thing to all of the rest of the flower to give it that really cool rose effect. I'm just using my green and I'm just going ahead and attaching it right onto it. Gorgeous, look at that. After I made that first one, I actually made a whole bunch more and they turned out so adorable. So pretty. These are perfect for like anything.